Hi everyone. Okay, hi everyone. I got my Cocoa Daisy in, and it's been a while. It's been a few days since I've had it, but life. Life is fun. So I want to open it, and I know my camera might be going dead here pretty soon, so gotta go through it. Let's see. So I have what I get. This is what we always get is like a high kind of thing. Oh, I love hydrangeas. They're like my favorite flower. It's like a little message from the owner, Christine. It's really neat. I love that. And I've used that on cards before. So let's see. What do we want to go with? Let's go with the planner add-on. Let's see what I don't even know what any of this looks like. So I have been out of the loop. And it's because I've been so hooked on, really hooked on Felicity Jane and doing my TNs with them. So let's see what we have here. And we have pretty washi. It says trust, quiet, the adventure. I think it says the smell, but I'm not positive. Okay, let's look at this one. This is called Picket Fences. Oh, look at the box. Oh, that's a Cocoa Daisy box. That's super cute. That's like my favorite right there. That's cute. Oh, see, and I love tassels. I love tassels. Paper clips, all that good stuff. Oh, it's so pretty too. Oh, look at the little bows. I've got one that's a little munched, but it'll fix. Once you take it out, it'll be okay. I think I'm going to use this one on my PL because that's awesome. And I love the backdrops. Oh, what is this? Like I said, this one I didn't even look at anything. So, what is this? This is it for pens? I would assume, right? You put it for pens? That is super cute. Oh, what does this say? Yeah, so I think that's for pens. That's awesome. So, let's see. My husband was on a structure fire, and I guess he's done. So I didn't expect the phone to ring. Let's see. And that's bust, by the way. Let's see. Never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Oh, Dolly Parton. That's cute. I love the ink splatters on the background. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. That is so cool because you can just cut out one square at a time if you want. That's best. It's a sweatpants and coffee kind of day. That's exactly what I'm wearing right now. And I already had my 2 cups of coffee. So I'm good. Life is awesome. I love these stickers. They're so pretty. Oh, look at the purple one. I could totally use this for my PL for this week, which I'm done with, which I'll be filming tomorrow. Says, I didn't come this far to only come this far. How cute is that? So that's the planner add-on kit. We didn't get a purse. We got this instead, a pen holder. So that's cool. That works. Very nice. So I get the planner add-on. I also get, oh, I think a pin goes in there. I get the planner add-on. Standard Dory kit, and I also get the Traveler's Notebook kit. So that is what I get. Oh, so look at this one's purple. So we have a pink. I think they're somewhere around here. A pink. But look at the little gems inside. I love that. How cute is that? Oh, and look, it's got the little Cocoa Daisy, little daisy on the top. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So tiny. And maybe kind of see it. So I pay $85 for all those 3 subscriptions. So that is what I get, and that includes shipping. I love this. So and I needed this. These are pen holders. I love it. That's so cool. I love getting those. And I love the notepads. I love getting notepads. So, and that's Dory outside, who's mad about something. Who knows? I tell you guys, it's chaotic. It's chaotic today. Now is the time. Oh, now is the time. So, uh-oh, my thing's gonna go dead. I'm gonna have to come back. These are the refills for the pens, because I guess some people were having problems with the pens. So I guess now they're adding the refills in them. Oh, look at that, it's hydrangeas, I think. Yeah, I think so. I think it's the middle of them. My thing is gonna go dead. It's gonna go dead before I'm done, because I have way too much. Way too much. Oh, look, I love getting the vellum sheet. Oh, and look at, it's got silver foil on it. Nice. Oh, look how beautiful. So beautiful. And then they're double sided. So this is the back of this one. So that's the back of that one. See? Oh, it's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Nice job, Cocoa Daisy. And then this is the back of this one. It goes like that. Oh, awesome. And then the back of this one. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, and I love getting tags. Tags are awesome to get. And then the notepad. Oh, this is beautiful. Totally beautiful. Oh, and look, you get plenty. I love getting plenty of that one. And then here are the standards that you get each month. And you get this one. And you get this one. So this is the standard. Let me show you the dory, the standard dory. So, and this you can cover if you don't want to use it for the month of May. Oh wow. Everyone's snoring. That's Cat and Bus. It's a dreary day in California right now, so they're inside chilling it. Oh, look how pretty. This one is really pretty. It's my favorite flower is hydrangeas, though, so I may be a little partial to that. Oh, look how pretty. Trying to hurry you guys. How nice. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this is the standard dory. So the next one will be the what do you call it? The Traveler's Notebook Kit. So this is the Traveler's Notebook Kit. Let's see if I can do it. I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Traveler's Notebook. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love the tags. Look at the tags, you guys. Oh, nice. This is the stamp set. Is it? Oh, I thought it said, because I'm looking at the camera screen, it says, I thought it said I wet my pants. I'm like, what? No. Oh, how did you know? So, no, it says I wet my plants. So sorry. Okay, and then you have a green ink pad. I love that. This is pretty green too. Ooh, nice. Nice. And oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Enamel dots that are glittery and beautiful. Ooh. Nice. Oh, and then we get pocket. I love getting the pocket, the pockets to put in your, anywhere. So last time I ripped it, so I won't show you guys. But it's an insert. You can put credit cards or a notepad or something in there. That's awesome. Oh, look at this. This is the puffy stickers, puffy letters, and yeah, puffy. Oh, we get two. Oh, hi everyone. Okay, I'm back. Let's finish. So where was I? I didn't move anything. Okay, so we got two. I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but I got two puffy letters, which is awesome. Yeah, one will stay in my craft room and one will stay in my TN room. So, cause yeah, that's awesome. Oh. Okay, let's see. And then well, I want to say we always get a sketch layout for the Traveler's Notebook, because she wants to, you know, help you out and give you a sketch and tell you how, you know, kind of how it's done if you don't know where to start or anything like that. Oh, see, this is this month's sketch. This is cute. I'm gonna have to do this sketch. I kept all the sketches she's done so far, so I just need to work on them because I think they're fun. Let's see what's in this packet. Oh, this looks like acetate. Ooh, oh, wow, that's very fragile. Nice. Oh wow, this is very nice. And all you have to do with this is run it through your sticker maker, and that's all you need to do. And you won't show the sticker in the back. It's very nice. Oh, very fragile. Whew, I'm like scared to touch it. Okay, so let's see what we get. We get a lot more dashboards with the TN kit. Oh, another tag. I love getting the 2 tags. It makes my day. Oh, and I love these. I love the stickers. Label stickers. I love it. Okay, so here's the dashboard. Now, I know that they're also double-sided, which is cool. So this is this one. And then this one. He's got a hairball. Let's see. And, oh, very nice. That's that one. I love it. It reminds me of Basic Gray. You know, their distressed look. And Basic Gray back in the day was my absolute favorite. So this right here just like makes my heart pitter patter. It's awesome. Oh, look how pretty. Love the purples. Love the purples. Love the blues. Love the pinks. Awesome job. Let's see. Oh, look, it's nice. And then this is different than the standard dory we get. The standard dory has different innards than this one. And this is, I can't remember what it's called. Nope, can't remember. But I'll just show you the pages. I've yet to do one yet. So I need to work on trying to get one done. One of these albums, because I think this is the 3rd kit. Maybe 4th, but at least more than 3. Or at least 3 and above. So nice. So if you want to subscribe, which, yeah, this is awesome. And you can do just dashboards. You can just do the stamp set. You can just do stickers. So they have a lot of subscriptions to choose from. But if you sign up with any subscriptions, you just email Mary Kay, which her name and her email is in my description box below. And just let her know that you signed up because you watched my video. And we both get $10 off our in-store purchase. It doesn't go towards subscriptions, and you would have to subscribe in order to get the $10 off, and it goes it'll go towards the store purchases. So and then you have to spend $20 to get your $10 off. So spend $20, get $10 off. So that's if you subscribe and you email her. So I've yet to hear anybody say that they don't like their kit and have canceled. So if you have, I'm so sorry, but this is awesome. How can you want to cancel? But okay, so all of that for $85, and I think it's an awesome deal. I think you get a lot for that amount. So, all right, guys, take care. We will see you all next month. All right, take care. Bye.